What's up you guys, this is Boyson back with another video, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the unboxing of the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. So here we have the 64GB plus 4GB RAM variant, and I ordered this on Flipkart for rupees 11,000 rupees, which was during this sale. So as you open up the box itself, at the top they've written it as "We love photo," like as if the phone is based for photography. So we'll get into the review very soon. After this unboxing I'm going to get back with the review very quickly. So as we open up there's one small box where there is a SIM ejector, there is a transparent case, there is IMEI numbers and a user manual. As you open up we get the phone itself, which has the blue one which I have ordered, and I've ordered this mainly for the battery because of the huge 5000 milliamp hour battery, which I didn't have on the MI-A2, which was having only 3000 milliamp hours. So as we boot up the device, let's take a look at the other accessories which are given in the box itself. In the box we're going to get a 5V 2A charger, we get the Max box which is for enhancing the sound, and there is a micro USB cable. There is no type C, and this phone has a 3.5mm jack. So I'll get back in the review very soon, and it has a Snapdragon 636 processor, which is same as the Redmi Note 5 Pro. I'm going to be doing the comparison also. I'm going to be comparing with the MI-A2 as well. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye now.